Hey beach lady, beach day out. Hey, good morning guys, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from. On today's video is another special video today guys, and this time is a very nice time, and we are literally heading somewhere special and that somewhere special is somewhere very far from here. So just opening up the gate. Oh no, and the breeze is breezing literally. So I just want to untie my machine. Safi kitumbo. Uko poa? Guys, this is our machine. We always cover it so that you know here it's very sunny and so dusty, so we better cover it. So I just want to untie it. We are heading somewhere today, so make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, and you leave a sweet comment today. And of course, remember we are on the road to touch 1,000 subscribers, and we are really heading somewhere. So let's try and do one thing here. I'm unboxing the motorbike. Yeah? She's struggling with what you call like she's struggling with holding the gate. Hiya.
Hi.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Just trying to.
Where are you going?
It's beach day.
You're going there?
It's beach day. Maybe I'm taking you to the doctor.
Hello guys. Beautiful day here. And it's
It's sunny.
very sunny.
Yeah.
But me and my cup, I cannot leave it behind. It's too hot.
Every time you say no motorbike, but today you are here.
Today, hey,
You are motorbiking.
guys,
Motorbiking in Mombasa.
he told me he's the only person I can trust on a motorbike. He convinced me.
Yeah, and of course you have to get convinced, because that's how everything is.
But the roads here are not bad, so.
Yeah.
But and then also he convinced me, so we have to.
Yeah, of course. We have to go. Our machine, you know, this is the biggest machine
Ever.
It's a big machine, guys. So literally, you wanna be going somewhere. I know you use this machine.
I miss it. I've never boarded it, guys, for a very long time. So today was like, no, the roads are smooth here, so don't worry.
So let's go.
Okay.
Okay, guys, let's head there and see. Yeah, so guys, we are actually in another place and I'm here with my lovely wife. So we want to go to the beach actually, and we just want to go have a cool drink and just take baby for the last time to see the waters.
Yeah.
The waters, a lot of waters. We are
It will
actually
be a while before
absolutely
we see any forms of I get out of the house.
yeah, and also I'm having another family, amazing family down here, but I'll just let them introduce themselves before.
Maybe later.
Yeah,
or now?
maybe later, but for now just enjoy this amazing time and wanna see how everything is on this beautiful place.
Yeah, we are in ParaDISE, guys.
Actually,
ParaDISE
yeah.
Hotels. It's a franchise.
Yeah. So let's wait and see how everything will be. All right, see you there as everything is. Yes, we are actually over here and we are walking. You know, this is the only way that you can make your wife walk. The other time it was so crazy that I was walking in front of my wife, and hey guys, this is so amazing. Slow, easy peasy. So the other time I was actually walking in front of you and people were like, hold your wife, so I'm holding tight.
People reminded you.
People reminded me, hold tight. So easy. And you know the floor is slippery, but I love the fact how everything is, guys. You know, if I could not show you this, who will show you again these kind of things?
True.
Look at this one. It's easy.
I can walk by myself.
Easy. You can walk by yourself.
Yeah.
Easy peasy.
Easier.
Yeah, so it's really nice and great. And actually even this one, the swimming pool, it's okay.
The pool is becoming empty.
Oh, some days, maybe some days, but not now.
At 6 months.
At 6 months.
From 6 months ahead.
Okay, you'll be now revealed. That is fine. You'll now be revealed from having what you have right now.
Yeah.
But anyway, let's keep on moving with this. People just having their best time. Oh my god. And you know this hotel, some of where we are heading, we have what we call like it's a cave. Whew, this is so nice of them. And also I'm having a young family here. So let's keep on moving as we see where we are literally heading to. So the trainees, you can actually swim, and you can have music, you can have everything around. So yeah. You want some tequila? You can have a little talk.
No.
Sorry guys for that, but anyway, let's be
tequila.
walking slowly but slowly as we check how everything is around.
Show the pine trees. They look nice.
It looks so great.
No, that's
So great, it's so great. Oh my god, it looks so nice and beautiful. But anyway, let's move. This is ParaDISE, this is Kenya, and this is Africa, to be specific.
I'm tired.
Can I record you?
No, don't record me tired.
Okay. I don't want to record you tired.
Don't record me tired.
Let's move slowly by slowly, guys. You know, the beautiful area. Actually, mostly it's a franchise. ParaDISE has a lot of different places or different hotels under the same name, ParaDISE. Like this one, it has another small branch over here called Istanbul, I think, which is a Turkish restaurant. So you can actually eat, enjoy, and relax. But anyway, this is the beautiful place. We got paradise on earth. I took her to paradise on earth, and actually for sure it's paradise on earth. So enjoy the beautiful view, the palm, everything. We are moving slowly by slowly.
No way. Hold, can I hold your hand?
Okay, hold. Tingling, tingling, tingling. Which is so nice and great. I'll have mojito.
Ah.
Mojito. Okay. We also have this, which is good. Great. So Let's go downwards and we can check both views. So, you wanna just try something? Or do you want to try jet ski?
No.
Jet ski.
Nothing. Jet ski.
You want to try it?
I can't right now.
Now this is what we call coral.
Oh God, yes. I'm sweating.
This is the coral now. Yeah.
The coral reef.
The coral reef. If you hear about coral reef, these are the coral reefs that are literally used to make what you call like houses. Like here you see, it's no belly, no show. No belly dancing show today. Why? You want to use my camera phone? Introduce yourself first.
Yes, guys. My name is Charlie B. As you know, my YouTube name is Charlie B. I'm here with Claude here in Istanbul.
Yeah, it's Pride Inn. Actually, it's a franchise to this.
I have here my family here.
Oh, your family.
Yeah, that's my firstborn here.
Oh, your firstborn.
Yeah, that's my secondborn.
Okay.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
Don't question.
Yeah. You know, with me, I respect because the moment I never wanted to film your family because sometimes it might bring some things. Why are you filming my family? So with me, I rather focus on you because they have never been seen. So I'd rather just be with you and check on how everything is. So are you happy to be here again?
I'm happy to see even in Hawi.
Yes.
Yeah, we are expecting something.
Okay.
Very soon
Let's go party. Let's go party. You wanna go? This is called Istanbul.
Istanbul.
So the Toto umwana mtu akumeze. So let's go guys and we check. So this one is a cave. Let's just head and literally check what's happening on this end. So guys, this hotel or this place actually it's in the cave, and they say today no belly dance. So literally it's time to just swim because now baby can't have water for now, but let's go to the ocean, the view, and then we want to literally see something over here. This is one of the great way to see when you're actually over here in Mombasa, Kenya, or in the coastal parts of Kenya. You have to enjoy this, and when you're enjoying this, actually you refresh on your mind. Like me, mostly when I've been in the village, it has been really a hectic time mostly sometimes, but for now I really appreciate that I'm over here. And actually this ocean water, it's very, we can say it's very hygienic, we can say on the other end, and it's a medicine on the other end. So but before that, I want to do some little exercises over here, and we want to swim over here because today I never carried my floater for the camera, but we can try just hold our camera as tight as we can so that it cannot drown, because the other time Master, we were here with Time Master and his camera was almost dying over here. So this is the best way. It's called Pride Inn, and maybe later on in the evening times I'll be showing you. Hey, let me check if I have one too. I want to check. I want to see if I really have because I want to do something. So amazing. So for now, you can just swim a little bit, and you enjoy really life. Everybody here is just enjoying his life. Everyone here is enjoying his own life. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. CJ, let's go 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Oh man, amazing. So it's time to swim. It's time to dip ourselves in the water. But anyway. Oh my god. The water. All the waters. And also there's some other music over there at it's called ParaDISE Istanbul. So they sing another special music. Nenda kamwambie kama mapenzi bado, na kama mapenzi bado hivi atamwambia nenda kamwambie na kama mapenzi bado anatayongeza mi. Hey, it's a special day, man. So sababu ya urefa, sababu ya urefa, sababu ya urefa. Sababu ya urefa. Yeah, so actually it's so nice. I'm enjoying. At least in the village there's no water. We always have water in the village, but it's river water. But over here we have this special water, which is oceanic water, which is so nice and great. So it's better to swim slowly by slowly. I see you guys. So let's go. So that's how you see water. What? She's just saying that her mother has the only child ever. So don't make any mistake of making me. So nice and great. Hey, I'm very far. I need to behave. Okay, it's so nice. You're swimming? Yeah. From there? Oga. Charles, yeah. How are you? I'm fine. You good? I'm good. Eti mamako na mtoto peke yake. Wasicheza na wewe. Hakuna mtoto mwingine. Pana lina mcheza. Maji ni mengi. Mawimbi. Lakini hakuna mahali chini hapa. Haina shida. Go. How long can you sit down here? Not much. Not much. Oh man, what's your name? I'm Lucas. Lucas. Yeah. I'm Claude Joseph. Yes. Yeah. I'm enjoying the oceanic water. Yeah. You know, here in the village you can't see this water. You only see river water and rainy water. But it's salty. This is salty water. Yeah, not fresh water. Yeah, it's not fresh water, but we have been told this is medicinal. Yeah, to your skin. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. If you have rashes, yes. Usually it washes away. Yeah. Oh man. Yeah, chicken pox. Those. Are you born here or? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. From which place?
from Shanzu here.
Shanzu here. Oh man, I'm just doing some short courses at Shanzu. Little short courses at Shanzu. But me, I'm not much. I haven't stayed here for long.
Yeah.
But I just come here just for little work and maybe some small short courses.
Okay.
Then later on, I shift.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No problem.
How is the beach? How is coastal life for those who maybe for the people who be watching us and they don't know how coastal life is? How can you tell them in general?
In general,
yes,
I can tell you the coastal life is good.
Okay.
Yeah, the waters here, the palms. Yeah, when you just enjoy, you see.
They always say that only in Jamaica we have this kind of palms. Tell them.
No, not in Jamaica, even in Kenya. Yeah.
Is our palm so sweeter than other people's palms?
It's sweet, and it's good for the health. Yeah.
Like?
Yeah, the pancreas, the stomach, yeah.
Okay.
Usually remove.
Okay. So for example, Lucas, in general life, will you rather stay here in your whole life, or you are just having this other mentality that man, me I wanna get out of the coastal part?
Actually, to my side, I like it at home. Because the coastal every day you have the waters there. Rather than going somewhere, example like the Ethiopia, it's a landlocked. There's no water. How will you enjoy yourself from swimming?
For sure. So home is best.
Home is best.
Some last words for the people who are watching us.
Last words. You're welcome to Kenya. Come and enjoy the coastal region.
Okay.
Yeah. There are plenty of things you'll enjoy.
Oh man, I was forgetting this question. I was once asked this question that in the coastal part we have what you call like beach boys.
Yeah.
What is the perception when it comes to you when people regard people who are actually born at the coastal part as beach boys?
Actually, the beach boys are the guys who are wearing the uniform color blues.
Color blues.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the beach boys who save people in case if you are drowning.
Oh, lifesavers. Yeah.
Yeah, lifesavers. They're usually everywhere. If you can look at the beach.
Okay.
One there.
There's another one over here. Yeah.
Usually for emergency.
For emergencies.
Yeah, emergencies. Even they bring customers to the boat ride. There's a boat ride.
There's a boat ride over here. Okay. But
there are jet skis.
The jet skis, yeah.
And
actually there's a mentality that people say that beach boys they usually take advantages of the people who don't know how to swim. So they take advantage of them. Is it true?
Actually it's false.
It's false, yes.
Those are guys which they name themselves beach boys, but they're not beach boys.
Okay.
Yeah, they just want to take advantage of women, maybe.
Oh, yeah. So, guys, you have heard from Lucas over here. He tells you if you see anybody coming to you telling you he's a beach boy without a blue uniform, know very well that is the guy who wants to take advantage of you. So, thank you so much, Lucas, man.
You're welcome.
All right, maybe we can have enjoy. You know me, I don't know how to swim much, but I'm trying.
Yeah.
Okay. If you can hold me a little bit, and then I can just swim a little bit.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can dive, but it's better. I just tried, right?
Yeah.
Yo guys, we are just around here and we are enjoying water with Lucas and the rest. So we are very welcoming you all guys to come and enjoy here at the coastal part. And if in case you meet Lucas here, say Lucas man, I saw you somewhere.
Yeah. You're all welcome. Welcome guys.
Yeah, for sure. So thank you so much Lucas man.
Okay.
Alright man. Let's enjoy the waters. Yeah. So Lucas wants to go.
Yeah.
Okay, Lucas, you go now.
Okay, I'm going.
Okay. Careful. Hey guys, Lucas was just really gone, like deep down. With me, I don't know. Okay, hold this from this side. Let me be this side.
Yeah.
So I want to go down and see if I can really even count for even seconds, okay?
Okay.
Okay. I've tried, right?
Yeah, I've tried.
Oh, okay, Lucas. Yeah. Okay, guys, we are here. Hey, Lucas, but you are just a deep sea dive. Just sometimes there's some fishes over here.
Yeah, there's some fish.
Okay.
There's that fish called tar.
Tar.
Yeah, which has like wings and a tail.
Oh.
Usually comes at the shoreline.
Oh, I've ever seen it. It's actually like black one,
Yeah,
and
black.
it has like big wings like elephant ears.
Elephant ears, yeah.
Okay.
Then has a long tail.
Yeah.
Usually comes at the shore.
Doesn't they sting?
Usually now you can't find them.
Okay. No,
Yeah.
I'm just asking.
Yeah.
As you Maggie, like they don't sting.
No, they can't sting you.
Oh.
In first, they're afraid of
People.
yeah, they're afraid of people.
Oh, okay.
Humans.
Hey. Guys, so you have heard from Lucas.
Yeah.
He's really what you call like he has really grown here in the water around here, you know, since he was his childhood, he
Yeah.
has really enjoyed what you call like this water. So it's very hard for you when somebody to convince you to go bara. Oh man, but it's so nice to be at the coastal. I usually find peace mostly when I'm at the coastal part over here. Yeah. So guys, you are all welcome, and let's enjoy La Party. Okay. You are the best swimmer.
Yeah.
From where?
All the way from Nyabohanse
To this area.
to this area.
Ah, yeah. Swim with this, swim.
Yeah.
Baba.
Just see.
Okay. Ametoka huko hadi huko na gazi. Ay. Hadi huko. I also want to swim up to that place. Hold I swim. Hey. I've tried, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Hey. Okay. I just want to go deep.
Yeah, just go.
I've been given one secret.
Eh.
That if you want to swim, come this side because of the sun. That if you want to swim better, or if you want to stay here,
Yeah.
you release your air by mouth.
By mouth.
Yeah.
By mouth.
Yeah.
How?
You just release it by mouth. Yeah, you don't use the nose. You use
Oi.
it by mouth.
Just do it practically, I see.
Okay, go down, right?
Yeah.
So that let me be here. Okay.
I want you to do it practically.
Practical.
Yeah. But you have tried.
I've tried, right?
Yeah, you have tried.
Okay, guys, let's enjoy. Party la party. Kata Charles. Kata Charles. Kata.
On have our guy is stealing. You're stealing time, bro. No. That you're coming this way, you breathe, and then you go down again. No. Huh? Hey, those are the pro swimmers. They have been here since childhood, so. But I have tried.
You have tried. You have gone over 1 minute.
Yeah, I have tried.
With me, I can try it again, but not now.
For how many minutes?
I can go maybe less than a minute.
Oh, okay.
But I can go even 1 minute.
Hey.
Let's go. Hold it from here because the sun is from there. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Deep down.
How many seconds? You are now a pro, mister.
I'm a pro.
Yeah, you are a pro.
Okay, guys. Let's wait and see.
Look at Lucas where he is. Oh my God. Lucas! That's very far, bro. That's very far. And I think it's so deep.
Yeah?
He's a small fish.
See, I can't risk. This guy has really gone far. Has really.
Chini chini. Hey.
Charles,
Don't risk, bro. That's a pro swimmer. Haya. Niko sawa. Haya.
so mate, that you are from this side. Yeah. This guy can really swim, guys.
Yeah.
I think I can swim, but he can really swim. He has gone to the deep end. Okay, Charles. Guys, they are going now for a boat ride. Wanaenda wapi hapo mpaka?
Creek.
Oh, creek ipo chini. So what is nini famous down there?
There are many types of fishes.
Oh, down there. Okay.
Types of fishes.
So it's called creek.
Yeah, even the sharks, the small ones.
Oh man, I wish I can see the sharks from the other side. Hola! So you can see from the other side how the sharks are. But anyway, it's a better special time. Some days we wanna go look at it. Hey.
You see the fish?
You go Let's just do one exercise and then we will be ending this, and then we can check on how everything is. Here they always having what you call like time limit. When it reaches 6, everybody just goes off. So let's try and see how everything is around. Everybody's swimming, everybody's having his own great amazing time. Toto! Hiya! So let's wait and see. It's a nice evening time, and we have a good time on this side. So Burros. Let me see what happened. Charlie, what are you trying to collect? Some shells? Alright. There are no more shells, bro. Huh? No shells, no shells.
Yeah, there's no shells. I don't know why.
You sell the seashells at the seashore?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, now I'm just
doing
walking around here, doing some exercise. Can you see how I'm just building?
Hey, you're building. Hey.
I'm the next bodybuilder in Hispania. Yeah, I'm here now doing just lifting some I don't know what it's called in
Weights.
Weights. No, it's not weights.
It's the weights.
It's gym.
Weights.
Gymming.
It's
I can
weights.
call it Jamie. Yeah.
Ole hello. This guy, guys.
Yeah.
Alright, let's just enjoy. Me, I want to go back in the water because I love water. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, but
Okay.
now
Yes, I'm telling you, the water now is so warm. This is the best time. The water is so warm. This is the best time just to enjoy a little by little as we are doing our own best. The deeper you go, the colder it comes. But the nini ukiwa hapa kwa shore, maji ni warm. Yeah. And I think ikikuwa jioni maji urudi mengi eti.
that depends on the time.
Full moon.
Usiku ni full moon.
Okay, so there's
full moon, maji ni mengi.
okay.
Ikiwa crescent hizi half moon, maji ni mengi.
Maji ni kidogo.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, we're just saying that the water depends with actually the water depends with time. Maybe she's a good. You know how driving? Yes, diving. Just going down. Okay. Can I just record for a moment for that? Kindly.
There's no fish here.
Okay. But just for fun. Okay. So let's just try see. She wants to swim down.
Let's see how far she could
Yeah.
As in down?
Yeah, you can just go down.
It's shallow here. There's no way I can go.
Oh, okay.
go under.
Underwater, just like.
Oh, just
Yeah.
okay.
Let's try see. Okay.
I mean,
Nice.
you go down like this.
Okay, let him show you.
Okay.
Catfish. Yeah. Alright.
I can try that.
Okay. You haven't ever. Okay, try it with me. Okay. You have done it.
Trying.
What's your good name?
Your legs aren't beneath.
Yeah. What's your good name?
Zami.
Zami. From?
I'm from Kenya.
From Kenya. Zami from
No,
Kenya.
Yes, Swahili.
Unaongea Swahili? Kweli?
Mambo.
Zami kutoka Kenya kweli? Do you have Sema you have been here but not really from Kenya.
No, I'm born in Kenya.
Born in Kenya, Zami. Oh, nice Zami. Naitwa Jose. All Claude. Nice to
You vlogging?
Yeah, I'm just vlogging little bit.
YouTube?
Yes. Yeah, you can check me out on YouTube by the name Claude Joseph.
Claude Joseph?
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Oh, thank you. Okay, nice meeting you, Zami.
Nice meeting
You can find Claude, Lucas. Yeah.
You need to train.
Yeah. But with me, I'm just trying.
You see, if you go beneath, you can even hold
Up to that point.
that point.
Yeah.
Going beneath.
Wait a minute. But I can swim.
Still there.
Yeah.
Beneath. Don't come near.
Beneath, but like on the surface.
On the surface.
Yeah, but you go down.
Now you people are making me jealous because I'm a village boy. I don't know how to swim. I'm just trying. I'm training. He's my trainer.
Here, take the jet ski.
Go with the camera. Go with the camera.
I'll move the camera inside. That's far. Okay.
But from here to there, beneath.
Try.
You can go with it. You can go upward.
Good.
Okay, yeah, recording. It's recording already.
Or should I go first? Should I go first so that you can see?
Yeah, okay.
For Zami now to go. Just show Zami.
Okay.
I'll just do it this way though.
Okay.
Okay, this way.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Actually, try. You're good. Yeah, you're good.
Let me see if I can come over there, right?
Okay, now it's your turn.
Okay. You know with me, I'm trying. Okay?
Yeah.
I just tried, guys. I don't know how to swim. Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Zami. Okay. Yeah.
It's pushing you.
Okay, go there. Me, I'm just recording. I want to see the competition after the jet ski. No, just go slowly.
I know myself.
It's okay, we're not competing.
We're not competing in a good way, but just in a good way.
We're just...
Make sure that you don't pass her, okay?
No, we'll just swim there and come back.
Yeah, okay.
Just a relaxing swim.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Guys, look at that! Look at that! Oh my god! Oh man! But you are going it in a good way. You have some smooth moves.
He's going underneath and I'm going above.
But you have some smooth moves. There's a lot of salty. Sorry for that.
We'll get used to it.
Yeah. Okay.
You're a first class.
But she has a very nice smooth moves.
Yeah, she's a first class.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a swimmer, not a diver.
Oh. Oh no.
You're a swimmer, not a diver, right?
Oh, diver.
You're a diver, yeah. There's a difference between diving and swimming.
Yeah.
With her, she's a swimmer, and with him, he's a diver. Oh my god. It's well and good. There Zami goes. Woo.
Let me try.
Okay. You just surpassed me. Oh my god. Just running underwater. I don't know. Anyway. Atuibia eti. Wewe. Okay, that's let me go now. You know, with him, he hasn't got used to floating. He's used to what to do like diving, but with you, you're used to float, swimming. I mean. Okay. Guys, the water is so sweet over here. Oh my god. Oh, so nice. Just floating little by little, and we're having Zari at the back and Lucas. Hey, anajua. Ayo mtoto wa profesa. Wewe.
Inabidi.
Siku ni chache dunia.
Nakwambia.
Unajua mbele ni gani? Unajui.
Oh my god. The water. So amazing. Enjoying the water. Pole, pole, mpola, mpola. Mpola, mpola. The water is so crazy and amazing. Some days we'll be coming for swimming lessons slowly by slowly over here as we proceed with this. The water is so nice, guys. You know, over here, swimming slowly by slowly. Mpola, mpola. They're from the creek over there. And this is how you see the water from the ocean. Oh my god. And that's how you see everything. Ooh, this is the jet ski. It's gone. Zami, are you floating on top like fish? There's no deep for me. I can't come there. Right on the water. Those people are from the creek, from the other side, and also it's almost time for swimming over here. It's almost time because they always select time. Like when it's 6, they tell everyone to get out of water. You know. So, but anyway, their work. So let's just enjoy and we see how everything is around. Very nice and great. It's almost time, so let's go on the other side. There's somebody over here. Over there. There's a plane. Not a plane, but an aircraft. Let me go on this other end, we see. Okay. My water lake. I'm not single anymore. I'm a single boy. I'm not single anymore, but that music tells you I'm a single boy. I'm a single boy, but I'm not a single boy. I'm a single boy right now, but I'm not a single boy. Alright. The last push-ups, okay? Before we end this video. 1. 2. Mama tumbo tumbo tumbo.
You want it? Stop. What are you about to say?
Tampata wapi kama yule anampendaga sana, tampata wapi, tampata wapi. It's time to go back home, and literally it has been nice having time over here. The best time at Istanbul, already in Turkey, the capital city, Istanbul. But the music behind is killing. But it's just once in a while because baby is almost here, and we don't want just to miss any best moment. And also, you know, it's a weekend. Yeah, it's a weekend actually, so it's the best time. People are just enjoying their last party, having their best last time actually at the water, and things are really cool. But anyway, let's head back, and things should be really much cool and nice, and that's how everything is. So welcome to Istanbul. I suggest over here. All right, guys, we are just having our bedtime, and yeah, that's how you see on this end. Oh, it's evening time, and now we are heading back home, and yeah, everybody's saying hi hi hi, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this. This is one of the paradisic area ever. We say paradise on earth, and of course it's paradise on earth. So let's go and see, you know. Yeah guys, this is how you see paradise on earth, and it's so nice and great, very beautiful and so amazing on this end. So this is how you see this beautiful place actually, and amazing, very great and amazing.